You know what time it is? It's day trading time. Welcome back. I'm Mihail, and today I'm doing a little day trading, and hopefully I could be in a green day. So, right now, what I see, the SPY is going up slightly, but it's looking kind of weak, the SPY. And I feel like I kind of want to take some short position because it looks like it tried to break over what is that, around 457. It spiked up, but then it came down, so it kind of proved to me it wants to keep heading down. So I'm gonna go, you know what, I kind of want to see NIO. I want to do 100 shares and short at 23.27. Okay, how's Twitter looking? I'm not sure if Twitter's still, still has that hype with Elon. I mean, on Twitter, that's all everyone's talking about. Or it could be just because that's what I've been searching, so I don't know. It's tricky because when you train momentum, you never know. I mean, you could look at the charts all you want, but momentum and motion overrules what you see in the chart. You know what? I'm gonna take a short position on Twitter. It's ready. I missed it. I feel like if I do 70, if I do 52, I feel like I'm chasing it. You know what? Let's go for it. I'm just looking for like 30 cents, not much. Okay, let's see how the SPY's looking. And the SPY's coming down a little bit. I had that feeling. It's been going up for a while. I mean, it needs to cool down, It needs a small pullback. I haven't checked Tesla. Let's see what's Tesla doing. Oop. I always want to spill the name out, but you can't do that. I just don't know what Tesla's gonna do. I mean, it's breaking down from what it used to bounce off from. And I really need to know how to put lines on this chart. I know how to do in TrainNet. I never had the time to do on Lightspeed. I'm sorry, guys. I tried to do an estimate, and it's not really. I mean, looks like it bounced off 1,135. About, I mean, it bounced here, bounced a little bit there. Now it's breaking down. It's something that I don't want to really trade at the moment. Coming down. Look at that volume. It's pulling down, looks overextended. So I'm not sure. if I should keep shorting. I need to think fast. I'm going to take my, on Twitter, I'm selling. Wait, my bad. I'm buying because I was shorting. And then I'm going to get out the market because at this moment, I have no clue what's going to happen. This looks a little choppy for me. Let me put market so I can just get out quickly. You know, some trades aren't as smooth, or, you know, at least that's $44. I'm gonna retry going into the market, but I just didn't feel confident in my trades. So I have, you know, huge, pretty big, decent candle coming down, and I know it's overextended. I mean, it broke down here, so the next support looks, I mean, it bounced off right here at 454, and before it can even get close, oh, it did, wait, well, yeah, it touched it and started to bounce off. So that's something that I don't feel safe trading. You know, sometimes it's better just to get out, even though, you know, it's $44, but it's better to win than lose. Believe me. Some days I'm like, man, only $50, I feel bad. And then other days when you're down $200-300, like, damn, I prefer to take that $40 win than that $200-300 loss. Believe me. Okay. All right, everyone. So far, looks like the market still has not decided where it wants to go. It's bouncing back and forth. I don't know, it's going up or down. And sometimes like this, you just want to stay out. It's like an ocean, man. Sometimes the ocean is so choppy, and you can't figure out which way the current is going. You don't want to jump in that water because you don't want to fight the current. Once you fight the current, that's it. You're sinking. You don't get tired out. It's like a metaphor. When you're trading, you know, you tire out. It's like tiring out your bank account. You keep losing. And if you're asking why I look at this SPY, because sometimes the SPY makes a first move. Not all the time, but sometimes it does. And that time it does, you kind of want to see if it is doing that. That just increases your percentage of winning that day. Tesla is at 1,126. I'm gonna do 50 shares at 1,126. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna see if I can scalp it. Nothing too crazy. And then I'm gonna put a I'm looking for, you know, $2. It's not much, but this kind of market feels like I just have to scalp, get in and out really quickly. If it goes back down to, like, I'll say 1,125. I might add just a little bit more, and hopefully it gets a nice small bounce, nothing too great. Okay, I might add another 50 shares. This is pretty risky what I'm doing. I feel like it has to have another bounce before it starts to fall back down. Usually that's what happens when you reach, you know, support line from the past. You will have some buyers here start buying, and Hopefully I'm able to get out. I know you want to bounce, Tesla. I know you want to. Take a look at Apple. Man, the market has not been moving. This type of market's slow moving today. I mean slow moving. Maybe like around like 12, 1, 2, 3. That's when it starts to decide where it wants to go. This is now a morning market. This is some more just back up and down, back up and down. Hasn't decided if it wants to be bullish or be bearish. There we go, 129. Let me take 50 shares off. See if it go a little higher. Take another 25 shares off. 1/3. I'm gonna get out. I'm out. And I'm done for just today because today market was shitty. Very dangerous, choppy. I feel like this is the type of market that could get you trapped. Alright everyone. So for today, NIO, I made about $14. Twitter 31, and then Tesla 442, and I'm happy with that. I can't complain because at this moment I have no clue what this market is going to do. Back in my head I'm just thinking maybe one more trade. Maybe I should just do one more. That's what I'm thinking right now. I just feel like the SPY wants to go lower. I mean, it tries to go up, but it gets pushed down. You know what? I'm gonna do one more trade. Maybe I shouldn't, but I'm gonna short at 1,130. 50 shares. And if it spikes up one more time higher, I'm gonna take another position. Because by looking at the SPY, it wants to go move lower. It doesn't have much strength to go up. It tries to go up, but it just can't. 132. Another. I'm gonna short it again. Another 25 shares. My bad. Another 50 shares. And you see Tesla going back down. Because right now it looks like the SPY wants to keep heading down. It's slowly heading down, not quickly. So I have to watch out too. You can see right here how it goes up and then comes back down. Shoots up again and consolidate. Now it looks like it's happening again. Goes up, goes down, might shoot back up. So I just have to be careful. I don't get caught in that. I'm not sure what day that would be. I'm looking for when I get out 1,120. That's what I'm looking for. I mean, it could keep going lower, but I'm not going to push it. I'm not pushing my little bit of luck I have. You need some luck and mostly skills. And put a sell order 1,120. Oh my god, I just took a bigger position by accident. That's not good. You see how damn it. I believe I just did that. I just maxed out my leverage. So I was about 100K leverage because I made money in a few days. My leverage is almost maxed out to 160K, 169K looks like. I'm about to lose all my profit for that stupid mistake. Look at the SPY. Oh man, oh man. I don't know, I should just sell. I mean, buy everything back. Because I just screw myself over. I hate it when I short and then I press short again. Such an amateur mistake. I'm just going to hold. If I lose my profit, I'm just going to stop it there and break even. If I break even, I'm okay with it. And hopefully that teaches me a lesson. Before you buy and sell, make sure if you're shorting, you buy. And just, that's 2 times I did that this week, and that's not something that I'm happy about. I was just up 5, 6, 700 bucks, I think. And I just shorted from the bottom where it reaches. But it looks like the SPY and Tesla isn't following each other at the moment. Usually they kind of do, but right now they're not, because if they were, I will probably get out Tesla really quickly. So I was thinking to fix that mistake before I buy and sell. I'm going to look at the symbol, look at the position that have a minus. I need to look at it. It could be because I'm making the video too. I'm not used to that. I'm usually to myself. I'm not talking out loud. While I'm doing the video, I'm talking out loud. I'm doing something new, and it just distracts me a little bit. Back of my head, I'm trading, but now the back of my head, back of that, back of the back of my head of trading, back of that is like, man, am I even doing a good job talking? That's like another thing I'm worried about. And that's something I need to hurry up, and maybe in time, I feel more comfortable, then maybe I'll start going away. But am I gonna lose all my profit? Because this is really nerve-wracking. Just watching Tesla bouncing back and forth in this damn 5-minute candle. It's so stressful. I don't like staying in trades like that. Usually I like just get out if they don't make their move, because I feel like this the chart's toying with me. Look at that volume. Wow. The volume is all here, and then you can't even see the volume here. It just disappeared. And the volume's coming back. I mean, even though the volume is high, it doesn't mean the stock's gonna go up. I mean, the volume could come up high. It could be selling pressure too. Is this where it's gonna start going down? Come on, come on. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit happy. Because it looks like the last 50 shares I bought is 1,124. And just letting you guys know, this is not all my money. I'm on leverage and it's dangerous, okay? Don't think you just jump on leverage and you start trading and it's all happy end. No, it's no happy end. It could be, but there's a chance you just blow up your account and lose all your money. Just think like this. If you have more money and you take bigger shares, that means the money that you have in there could go away quicker, or it can increase. So I'll be back, guys. I'm just gonna wait it out so I'm not making this video too long. Okay, looks like sending it back down. I am lucky because I could have paid the price for that mistake there. I'm gonna take the 50 shares. Hopefully it hits my target, 1,120. And then from there, I don't want to sell my whole tire shares. I'm gonna slowly share on share. I'm gonna slowly sell. Okay, hit my first. Okay, nice. Okay, come on. I'm gonna try and let it run. Because if it breaks 120, it might spike down. And that's why I'm trying to catch any leftovers. Let's sell another 50. Now I'm holding just 50 shares. If it goes back to 1,120, I'm selling. I'm okay to give that back a little bit, but nothing more than 1,120. Right now, I have no idea where I should get out. I just know if it reaches 1,120, I'm getting out anyways. If it keeps going lower, I'm staying in. I'm just trying to decide when should I, because this is uncharted territory at this moment. There you go. All right, I'm out. All right, that's for today. Trading took way longer than I expected. Looks like it took about 37 minutes. It's just right in the beginning. I didn't get in the beginning of the market around 9:30. I got in around 10, 10:30, 11, and usually that's when things slow down. But it was really like slowed down. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Tesla's still going down. Damn. But it was really choppy. The market hasn't decided which way it was going. Yes, it went down for a little bit, then consolidated just a little bit, and was going back and forth. And I had no clue which way I was going down until it looked like the SPY was going down a little bit. I thought the market was following it, but it wasn't. So it was a little bit of luck, and it was a mistake. I shorted after I was trying to buy it, and I shorted even more. And I shorted from the bottom, so I was losing my profit at that moment. But besides that, that was a nice win, $2,000 about. All right, everyone. Hopefully you enjoy my video, and if there's a specific, just let me know if the videos are too long. I might try to short it up, but it's very hard because I'm just trying to keep the video raw, not like I'm not trying to edit it too much, but I might just cut it down so it's not so long to watch. And I did put a timestamp. Well, I'm gonna say that from the beginning. But besides that, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day, and let me know how your day went. I know some people have good days, and then you have some bad days. And usually the bad days, don't be scared to hit me up, comment, sometimes you need people to be there for you, because those days that you lose, man, that mental draining, man, it's bad, because when you lose, you get that mental draining where it's like you're so tired and so depressed and like, man, how can I do better? How can I improve? I want this to work out. I love what I'm doing. And those are days you need to try to, talk to other like-minded traders that can try to help you in the process, in your journey where you're trying to reach. Bye, everyone.